Okay, guys, I think I'm connected. All right, if I cut out, I'm sorry. It says I have low connection. This is Brianna, and I'm very excited to share with you guys something really cool that we're going to start. And it's going to be lots of fun, guys. Okay, so lately I've been mailing out these little things. So if you received one of these little booklets, it's called Fearless Confidence with Essential Oils in 2 Hours. It is an amazing little booklet. So this booklet walks you through how to kick toxins to the curb with essential oils. It also gives you a few ideas of how to use the essential oils that you have in your starter kit. So if you have not received this booklet and you said, hey, I want one of those, go ahead and message me because I have a handful left and I would love to send you one if you really want. Okay, so the challenge that we're going to be doing is a fearless challenge. So this fearless challenge, you do not have to have this booklet. If you do, great. If you don't, then it doesn't matter. It really doesn't need to have the booklet for it. But this fearless challenge, I'll post the link. And hey, Jessica, I'll post the link below where you can print this off on your own at home. It's really easy to do. So it has ideas of how you could use your starter kit oils. So if you are one that has this beautiful set of oils, and it's just sitting there, maybe still in the box, maybe on the shelf in your bedroom or in the cabinet, it's not doing you any good. So I want to help you learn how to use these oils. So you invested in them, and I want to show you how you can use them every single day. So we're going to be coming at you every couple days with a challenge or a bonus challenge. And I'm going to help walk you through how to do this, okay? Oops, it's upside down. Okay, so the first challenge, today I'm going to challenge you, challenge number 1. It's try all 11 oils from your starter kit over the next 11 days. So you're just going to check off when you're done, when you completed that challenge. And it's easy, guys, 11 oils. Now you don't have to use each one of these in the diffuser because I know like Digize does not smell very good. I would not want to put that in my diffuser. But apply it to your body somewhere. Instead of, if you don't want to diffuse that one, just apply it to your body. It's easy, guys. Put something in the diffuser, fill it with water, put a couple drops of oil in it, and turn it on. Super, super easy. So I challenge you to use your 11 oils in the next 11 days. Okay, guys? Start your diffuser and do it. When you have, go ahead and drop an emoji down below in the comment section, and I'll help encourage you and cheer you on. Guys, this is going to be lots of fun, so look forward in the next couple days, and I'll be coming on with another fun challenge for you. And I'm excited to see who all is going to join in with me and do this fearless challenge. Okay, guys, we'll see you guys later.